Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have learned a lot of sentences about English and I have written everything on my notebook. And these things I want to share with you. First thing I've learned today about English is my very first talk at school. The meaning of this sentence is I gave my first speech at school or in school. The second thing I've learned, I was invited there. I was invited there. This is a passive voice of past indefinite tense. I was invited there means someone invited me, an event or a ceremony. The third thing, I kept thinking. I kept thinking means I thought a lot. I thought again and again something. Kept plus ing form of verb. This is the past, and this sentence is describing I did something again and again. One more example according to this structure. I kept asking myself again. I asked again and again myself why I did this work. And the last thing is why am I sharing too much to the people? Why am I sharing too much to the people? It means why am I telling a lot of things or why I'm telling the people a lot of things. These sentences I've learned today. If we try to learn, everything will be easy, day by day, from time to time. I hope I've delivered my messages or my message to you. Okay, bye.